Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set a stop loss in Binance. As you can see here, we are under a demo account using Spot. Okay. So what we're going to do in here is just basically go to the top right, select your trading pair. Okay. Say OG/USDT. Here we have the chart. Now what you're going to do is just scroll down a bit and you'll have the trading section. Okay. Now we have limit, market, and stop section. We have stop limit and stop market. Now, what are the difference between the two? So stop limit right here sets a limit order when the price triggers. It offers more control over the price, but might not execute if the price drops too fast. Now we have here stop market. So this one triggers a market order when the price is hit, guaranteeing execution at the best available price. Now we have here trading stop and OCO. OCO right here, or one cancels the other, allows you to set a stop loss and to take profit simultaneously. If one is triggered, the other is canceled. Okay, just basically select one of these options. So what we're going to do next, okay, for example, I'm going to go ahead and select stop limit. Enter the stop price, let's say $100. Okay. This is the price level where you want to trigger the sale to prevent further losses. For example, if you bought $100 and want to limit loss, maybe set stop to 90 USDT right here. Now go ahead and enter the amount. Okay, what amount? The amount of crypto that you would like to sell. You can go ahead and use the slider right here. Okay, maybe 50% of your OG holdings. And then once that's done, here you have your total. Now, after that, if you're happy with it, just click on sell right here. Confirm. Okay. If the last price rises to or above 100 USDT, an order to sell 634.35 OG at a price of 90 USDT will be placed. Okay. Again, if you're happy with that, click on confirm and your order will be placed. Okay. That is how you set stop loss in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.